Today, we're going to bulk import credit memos into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. You can start with the 30-day free trial, so you can test this on a real file. Approve the connection, and you'll land on the SaasAnt dashboard. Now, from the SaasAnt dashboard, click Bulk Upload and choose Credit Memos as the transaction type. Next, get your file ready. Download the sample template from the import screen, then fill it with your credit memo data and save it as an Excel or CSV file. If your credit memo has multiple line items, make sure all lines that belong to the same credit memo use the same credit memo number, so SaasAnt groups them correctly during import. Once your file is ready, click Upload File, select your file, and continue. Now you'll land on the mapping screen. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields based on your file data, so you'll mainly need to review that everything looks right. When everything looks correct, click Import to QuickBooks, and SaasAnt will create those credit memos in QuickBooks Online. Finally, switch to QuickBooks Online and open a few of the imported credit memos to confirm the customer, date, line items, and totals match your source file. And that's it. Your credit memos are now in QuickBooks Online, clean and ready for reporting. If you want to try the same workflow for your own data, get a free trial of SaasAnt now and start importing in minutes.